Good morning to one and all. In this video we are going to see regarding the joints which are coming in the upper limb. We will be seeing one by one according to the region wise what are the joints which are coming in that area. So let's don't waste our time and go to the video. The first joint coming in the shoulder region. First let's start from the shoulder region. Shoulder region, the first joint which is coming is the sternoclavicular joint. Sternoclavicular joint. Sternoclavicular joint. And the second one is the acromioclavicular joint. So in shoulder region two joints are there, that is sternoclavicular joint and acromioclavicular joint. Both clavicle is same, sternum, with sternum it is making one joint, that is sternoclavicular. Acromion process of the scapula making with clavicle one joint, that is acromioclavicular joint. So in shoulder region two joints are there. Next, upper arm. Upper arm, or we call this region as arm region. In last video also we have seen arm region or upper arm. So only one joint is here making, that is a shoulder joint. And the third one is the forearm region. Forearm region, it is also known as antebrachium. Here one of the joint which has been made is elbow joint. Elbow joint, and two bones are present in the forearm region, that is the radius and the ulnar. Together they are making as radio-ulnar joint. Radio-ulnar joint. So two are they are making. So next one is the hand region. The fourth one is the hand region. So first joint they are making is the wrist joint. First joint is wrist joint. It is also called as radiocarpal joint. 8 carpal bones are there. With the radius they make this joint radiocarpal joint. So entrance point of view, it is very good one. Arm is known as brachium, forearm is known as antebrachium, wrist joint is also known as the radiocarpal joint. Radius bone and the carpal bones, 8 carpal bones are there, radiocarpal joint or wrist joint. Second one is the intercarpal. I have told 8 carpals are there, in between only they make joints, that is intercarpal joint. Intercarpal joint. Third one is the carpal metacarpal. Carpal and 5 metacarpal bones are there. So in there it makes carpo-metacarpal joints. It is carpo-metacarpal joints. It is carpo, there is a carpal bones, carpo-metacarpal. Carpo-metacarpal. Next is the intermetacarpal. Fourth one is the intermetacarpal joints. Fifth one is the metacarpophalangeal joints. Metacarpophalangeal joints. Sixth one is the proximal and distal interphalangeal joint. So as you can see in the board, we have discussed the joints of the upper limb. First region coming in the upper limb is the shoulder region. There are two bones they are making, that is the sternoclavicular joint and the acromioclavicular joint. Common is the clavicle bone. It is making with the sternum, that is sternoclavicular joint. Along with acromion process of the scapula, it makes acromioclavicular joint. Second one is the arm region, or it is also known as the brachium region. That is making only one joint, that is shoulder joint. In the forearm region or antebrachium, two joints are made, that is the elbow joint and the radio-ulnar joint. That is the radius bone is there, ulnar bone is there, together they make radio-ulnar joint. Next region is the hand region. In hand region, they make the wrist joint, which is also called as the radiocarpal joint, because of the radius joint and the carpal bones are present, so they together make a radiocarpal joint. And next one is the intercarpal joint, because 8 carpal joint bones are arranged in the 2 rows. In between they make the joint, that is the intercarpal joint. Third one is the carpometacarpal. These carpal bones, 8 in number, along with the metacarpal bones, they together make carpometacarpal joints. Next is the in between metacarpal, they make intermetacarpal joints. Next one is metacarpophalangeal, that is phalanges 14 in number, metacarpal 5 in number. So this one of the metacarpal along with one of the phalanges, they make metacarpophalangeal joint, and proximally it make interphalangeal joint, and distally also it make interphalangeal joints. So these were the joints which is coming in the upper limb according to some of the regions of the upper limb. Thank you.